Hey guys, welcome back to Talk with Spake. आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक scary but funny story and you'll also learn real English sentences today.
That's right. Today's story is called The Real Life Horror Story. It has emotions, reactions, and lots of natural English you can actually use.
Scene 1. Late night walk. It was 11 p.m. I was walking home from work. Suddenly, the streetlights went off. I said, "Bro, not now, please."
Classic horror start. What did you say in English again?
Oh no, not again. The lights are gone. Repeat with me, everyone. Oh no, not again. The lights are gone. Scene 2. The suspense. Then I heard something behind me. Tap, tap, tap. I slowly turned around and said, "Is someone there?"
Oh, creepy. Everyone say it. Is someone there?
My heart was beating fast, dhak, 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 and suddenly a black shadow crossed the road.
What? Was it a ghost?
No, it was just a stray dog. I said, "It's just a dog."
Nice. So when you feel scared but then relax, you can say, it's just a dog.
Scene 3. The real scare. But the real horror started when I reached home. My main door was open.
What? At midnight?
I said, "Hello, anyone home?" No answer. My mom's shoes were near the door, but her phone was on the table. Oh, scary moment. Then what happened? I slowly walked inside and suddenly, boom! A flower pot fell from the window. I screamed, "Ah!"
I can imagine your face.
And guess what? My mom was hiding behind the door. She said, "Beta, stop watching horror movies."
Okay, guys, let's learn some useful sentences from today's story. Oh no, not again. When something bad happens again. Is someone there? When you feel someone is nearby. Phew, it's just a dog. When you feel scared, but then relax. Hello, anyone home? When you want to check if someone is inside.
Let's repeat together. Oh no, not again. Is someone there? Phew, it's just a dog. Hello, anyone home?
Perfect! You guys are doing great.
So, today we learned English with a funny horror story.
That's how real learning happens, when you feel emotions and speak naturally.
Comment below. Have you ever had a scary experience?
Till then, stay brave, stay curious, and keep speaking English every day.
Bye, everyone.